quite a simple recording. Uh, this is just to demo my first proof of concept in this application. This is an Atlassian Housekeeping kit. The Atlassian Housekeeping kit um, will enable every Atlassian administrator, every Atlassian consultant to be more concise, more precise with the housekeeping and the governance of their instances of their customers. So we have a, a couple of options, and one of the most important ones I would say is um, you want to know which spaces you have in Confluence, for example. So we're gonna get some spaces from Confluence. That's just gonna be quite a quick request, and you want to know what permissions belongs to those spaces. So let's get those space permissions as well. All right, so this will give everything that we need to know, like in a proper JSON. So we have like two spaces created. So this is could be this is the software development for this application itself, and we can find the belonging permissions right here, and that's the space itself. This is not readable to everyone, but for a developer and an administrator, this can be like quite easy to understand. But if it's not, don't fear. There's a bit of a front end in proof of concept right now that we're using. So we've got this application that you see like, okay, well, let's give me this, and you get it in a readable formatable table, and you get the space ID again. That's the one we just got, and you get the links and everything. You get all the JSON inside of the table. Of course, there's going to be functionality added to that, but also what you want to know is all permissions for a certain space. You want to have all space permissions so you can see which belong to where. So this is, of course, the different spaces. There is the 9421. It's the space ID. And then you have the permission ID as well, which are separate those API. So it enables you to get permissions, you get some insights over the API. Are all GET requests are all non-destructive. And this is a first this is a first build. This is something that I'm just showing off demoing right now. Um, if you want me to help me keep this project active and open, then I would appreciate a donation, of course. But other than that, this is just my first demo.